What up, guys? Welcome back. Today, I want to show you how to set up an LLC in Louisiana. You've got two main options. Either you do it yourself or you let a professional business formation service handle everything for you. I'm going to walk you through both options step by step and keep it very easy to follow. The service I personally used was Tailor Brands. They help you form your LLC without the headache. No confusing paperwork, no guessing what to do next. It's a good option if you want to save time and make the process stress-free. And if at any point you want to check out Tailor Brands, I've dropped the best deal they're offering right now in the description below. All right, let's get into it. So what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC, as it's more commonly known, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simple nature of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, meaning your personal assets are separate from your company's liabilities. So in other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets should be safe and out of the picture. Also, LLCs give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the chance to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. All of these benefits have made the LLC a popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting new or existing ventures. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there are two ways to set up an LLC. To start off, let's go over how to do it yourself. So first things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and hasn't already been taken or similar to another business. Checking out Louisiana's Secretary of State business filing search is a good start, or a Google search would work just as well. When it comes to naming your LLC, Louisiana has a few requirements. Of course, the name should be unique and it must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. Your name also can include words that might confuse it with a government agency like FBI, Treasury, or State Department. And if you want to use restricted words like lawyer, attorney, bank, or credit union, you'll need approval from the proper licensing authority. Now, once you've got your name picked out, you can check for name availability and reserve your business name through the Louisiana Secretary of State's website, which is called JoBiz. It's the official platform for handling business filings in Louisiana, so you'll be using it throughout this process. The next step, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business from the state. You or another member of the LLC who is a legal resident of Louisiana can be a registered agent for the LLC. Now, it's important to take into consideration availability if you want to go this route. If all of the members work full-time outside of the business, fulfilling those duties in-house may get tricky because an outside person or service may be a better fit. So definitely consider all of your options. Now, let's move on to actually forming your LLC. In Louisiana, this happens by filing something called the Articles of Organization with the state. When you fill it out, you'll be asked a few basic questions like the name of your LLC, the place where your business will be located, the names and addresses of all members, and the name and address of your registered agent. Now, once everything's filled out, all LLC members need to sign the form and it has to be notarized. If you don't have enough space to list all of the members on the form, you'll also need to file a supplemental initial report. And just a heads up, there's a filing fee due when you submit your application. It's $100 or $125 if that extra report is needed. You can take care of everything online or just send it in by mail. Next up is creating your LLC's operating agreement. Now, Louisiana doesn't require you to have one, but it's definitely a smart move. An operating agreement helps make sure everyone is on the same page. Even if you're the only member of the LLC, it's still worth having. Think of it like a blueprint for how your business will run. Your operating agreement should include things like who owns what percentage, each member's roles and responsibilities, how profits and losses are split, and what happens if there's a disagreement or if someone wants to leave or even shut down the business altogether. These agreements are often called living documents, which means you can update them as your business grows or changes over time. Next, you need an employer identification number, or EIN, for your business. An EIN is kind of like the social security number for your business. Having one is crucial to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you want to get your business set up to handle taxes. Because LLCs are considered pass-through entities, the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to the owner or owners unless you choose to be taxed as a corporation. So all income from the business is then reported and paid through the owner's personal tax return. You'll need to think about self-employment tax And if you plan to hire employees, payroll taxes too. On top of that, there's sales tax. In Louisiana, the state sales tax rate is 4.45% all the way up to 7%. Sales tax applies to the sale of physical goods and some services. Now, to collect your sales tax legally, you'll need a sales tax license, which you can get free through the JoBiz website. Now, how often you need to file sales tax returns depends on your estimated sales. It could be monthly or quarterly. Now, along with taxes, LLCs in Louisiana also need to file an annual report. This has to be done within 30 days of the anniversary of when your LLC was formed. The state filing fee is $30, and the easiest way to take care of it is online. All right, if going through all of these steps on your own sounds like a lot, don't worry, you're not alone. Personally, I just didn't have the time to learn everything and make sure I was doing it all correctly. And honestly, I didn't want to risk messing something up and having to start all over. That's why I went with Tailor Brands to form my business. If you're short on time or just want to avoid the stress of figuring out all of the paperwork and legal details, using a business formation service like Tailor Brands can really simplify the process. It takes a lot of the guesswork out and helps you move forward with confidence. Now, personally, I see Tailor Brands as one of the best options out there, especially for first-time business owners, because they walk you through everything step by step and make it just super simple. That said, there are other great services too, like ZenBusiness, LegalZoom, and Swift Filing. So if you want to learn more about those, I've left some review videos down in the description below for you to go check out. So what is the perk of using Tailor Brands? Well, they have an AI-powered site that provides hands-on support to small business owners and help that can last even after your business is formed. They offer services from websites, compliance, and bookkeeping, along with their popular formation services, so that you can get everything from them for a yearly subscription or by grabbing individual services as you need them. So let's walk you through the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you will find a Choose Your State field. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select Louisiana. After that, click on Get Started. Then you'll type in the name you've picked for your LLC. Next, you'll answer a few quick questions to help Tailor Brands understand your business needs. Things like where your business is located, what you're offering, whether you'll have employees, and what stage your business is actually in. You also have the option to choose what you might need help with, like licenses, a website, or a logo. Don't worry, you're not signing up for anything just yet. This just helps tailor the experience to your business. Plus, you get a checklist to keep track of what you've already completed. After that, they'll show you a few optional services to make things easier, like getting your EIN, setting up an operating agreement, or LLC's registered agents. So you can also get compliance reminders, a branding toolkit, and even speed things up with expedited filing if you're on a tight timeline. The last step is choosing your plan with Tailor Brands. They offer 3 options, from a more hands-on approach to a full-service package that includes marketing tools and branding support. There's something for every budget and level of experience. Now, once you pick your plan, Tailor Brands will submit your application to the state. So really, the whole process doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With Tailor Brands handling the paperwork, you can feel confident it's done right and free up your time to focus on actually building your business. So this sums up both ways to set up an LLC in Louisiana. By 1, doing it all yourself, or 2, having a business formation service do everything for you. And at the end of the day, I feel Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up an LLC for your business. The process is fast and user-friendly, not to mention the additional services they have like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards makes it a more valuable resources for those who are looking for more than just a formation site. The prices for their services are reasonable, making it a good investment, especially when you consider the time and hassle you save. I would recommend Tailor Brands to anyone starting a new business who, like me, is looking for help with everything from incorporation to brand identity. So for the convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to get started is a business name, Tailor Brands has you covered. And that's going to be it for today. I really hope you learned something today. And if you did, then hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, check out the affiliate link in the description below to get a discount you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. And as always, I love hearing from you guys, so drop some comments, leave some questions, but that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.